Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I have an easy little DIY I'm going to show you how to do with the clay here. But first I'm going to start off with some basic tips. Maybe you know, maybe you already knew, maybe you didn't know, but if you're new to clay, the air dry clay, this one, if you let it sit out too long, even in that little baggie, it can get a bit hard. So I'm going to try to revive some of my clay here, and I'm going to cut it up as small as I can here first, and then we're going to soak it in some water. And then you kind of have to repeat the process depending on how hard your clay is. Now, if it's to the point where it's almost rock hard, then there is no going back from that. But if it's just a little bit hard, you can use your spray bottle, or I'll show in a bit here, I actually had to, again, break it apart and then soak it in a little bowl of water to get them to soften up so I could still use it. As I'm just smushing the clay and cutting it up here, I will describe how I made the little cookie here, just in case somebody wants to, make it yourself. It is very easy. So obviously, if your clay is soft, you can just go ahead and get started with however big you want it to be. So you can make your cookie shape, and you can have it a little bit lumpy on your sides and the top if you'd like, or you can use your sponge with a little bit of extra water and then smooth out everything. And then it's really easy to just take a few of your favorite brushes, and then you can poke however many holes you want, however many you want your brush holder to hold there. So I have 4, and yeah, it's very easy to do. And about a half hour later, after squeezing and soaking, I managed to get my shape there. That's the best that I could do. And then I still have some extra off on the side. And I decided to, I originally wanted to do a donut and have everything nice and smooth, but I could only get so many lumps out because the clay was so hard. So I thought, yeah, I'll just switch it up and do like a lumpy cookie instead. And after 24 hours of drying overnight, and I'm going to go ahead with my paint markers because I have quite a bit of them. So I'm just picking out some like light brown, dark brown, something for a cookie shade. And then I wanted some bright pink frosting, and then a couple bright colors for just some easy sprinkles, some details. And here we have our final little outcome. I think it looks pretty cute. I still have to put the shiny gloss on it, that's all. But yeah, so my tiny little brush holder there, and I'm happy that I was able to revive the clay. But that's it for this quick little video. Be sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time.